Assalamu alaikum, Commerce Craze Hub. How can we reduce time of development and manufacturing process while delivering the customer value? 1. Lean principles. Implement lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and optimize processes. This includes reducing unnecessary steps and resources in your production line, which can significantly reduce lead times. 2. Rapid prototyping. Use rapid prototyping and 3D printing technologies to create quick prototypes and test product designs. This allows for early identification and resolution of design issues, reducing the need for costly revisions later in the process. 3. Cross-functional collaboration. Encourage close collaboration between different departments such as design, manufacturing, and quality control. Cross-functional teams can work together to identify and address issues, speeding up the development process. 4. Standardization. Standardize processes and components wherever possible. This minimizes variations, makes production more predictable, and allows for quicker scaling of manufacturing. 5. Advanced technology. Invest in automation, robotics, and digital technologies to streamline manufacturing. These technologies can significantly reduce manual labor, increase production speed, and improve product consistency. Don't wait, start learning now.